In the bustling kitchens of the Acton area, a common yet often overlooked issue creeps up on us: jammed garbage disposals. Whether it's running them dry, without the necessary flow of water, disposing of items that simply don't belong, or neglecting regular maintenance, the consequences can grind your kitchen routine to a halt. But there's no need to let this kitchen calamity disrupt your day. Residents of the Acton area, take heart. Assistance is but a phone call away. By dialing 888-501-1193, you can connect with qualified plumbing professionals who are ready to dive in and free your garbage disposal from its jammed state. Don't let a jammed disposal throw a wrench in your culinary endeavors. Call now and keep the heart of your home beating strong.